Previously on Teen Wolf.
Hi, I'm Renata Bliss and I'm your freestyle dance teacher.
That's a lot of damage. How about a little more? No, that's a lot of damage.
They be like, hey Brandon, what you got on?
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Get it out of me! Oh my God! I'm gonna die! He's an angry elf. Run.
If you are here, speak to us.
Just a city boy, born and raised in South.
How can I drink?
Nah, I say let it die. Let it die, let it die. Let it shrivel up and come on, who's with me, huh?
I don't know about you, but me, Did you hear that?
Hear what? Lydia.
1, 2.
Anything for you, Beyonce?
Everyone wants you, you know? You're like the hot girl that every guy wants.
The hot girl? I'm the hot girl. Yes, you are.
No one can stop us now. We're the ones that make the
What are you talking about? In front of them.
Careful because of the body. My dad's out looking for a rabid animal while the who actually killed the girl's just hanging out, doing whatever he wants.
Great.
I'm not here for you. You don't have the votes.
I'll show you where my shoe fits.
I will send a fully armed battalion. You want to pull yourself together? Sir, I'm sorry.
I'll never be satisfied.
He could help us, or he could kill us. He's my responsibility.
It's so awkward when Mom and Dad fight.
Shut up!